In this video, I'm going to show you how to see all the photos that are backed up within your Google Photos account. And if this video helps you, please consider giving it a like and also subscribing to my channel. So to see which photos have been backed up to Google Photos on your phone, simply open up the Google Photos app on your phone. Once you have the app open, scrolling through your photos here, if you see anything that has the little cloud with a check mark through it, that means it's been backed up to Google Photos. This is everything that's been backed up from my phone to Google Photos. So that's how you see your backup photos in Google Photos. If you have any questions about this, leave a comment below. I'll get back to you as soon as I can. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. And please consider subscribing to my channel. Thank you so much for watching.